This sumptuous home is one of the most magnificent offerings in Orange County, California. As the guarded gates of Irvine's exclusive Shady Canyon silently close behind you, a sense of calm takes hold on the approach to this amazing estate. Private gates introduce the Santa Barbara-style mansion, which welcomes a spectacular unobstructed golf course, evening light, and hill views. Designed by renowned architect David Homan and built in 2007 by Fari International, with recent expansion and upgrades by Tony Valentine Construction. Meandering walkways and lush and mature landscaping include olive, Italian cypress, and palm trees leads to the home. Enjoy ample privacy and extensive space in this beautiful Mediterranean-style courtyard. The home's craftsmanship belies its age, offering a timeless ambiance rarely seen in today's modern homes. Equally impressive are the residence's refined interiors. The great room is designed to flow effortlessly onto one of several wood-beamed loggias, separated only by oversized pocket doors. The museum-quality interiors measure nearly 13,000 square feet with 7 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms and are accoutred with carefully sourced materials and interior furnishings by Ebonista. Designed as a dazzling complement to the great room, the grand kitchen is outfitted with a catering kitchen, slab countertops, and a custom mosaic tile backsplash. A palatial primary suite is the centerpiece of the top level, complete with a fireplace, spa bath featuring dual water closets, 2 boutique-quality walk-in wardrobes, and a large expanded deck overlooking the home's commanding hillside setting. Accommodations include the Best Home Cinema, as globally awarded by Cedia in 2020. Boardroom for 10 with teleconferencing AV system, billiards and poker room with wet bar, 1,000 plus bottle wine room, gym, massage room, wet and dry saunas, air-conditioned 6-car garage, and a subterranean tunnel that leads to one of 2 lower-level guest en-suites. Outside, the 10-foot-deep resort-style pool takes center stage with water flowing over a vanishing edge, a diving board, spa, underwater speakers, and scuba snorkel system. Additional outdoor amenities include a cold plunge, limestone terraces, large rolling lawns, open seating areas, cabana bar, a grand-scale open-air fireplace, barbecue with grill, and commercial pizza oven surrounded by teak cabinetry. The home is currently listed at $40 million with listing agent Tim Smith of Coldwell Banker Realty.